All right, so I've been talking on this channel a lot about how the best way to make money online nowadays is, as far as my experience, the easiest way to get started making money online is through the Amazon Influencer Program. And I've talked about how, when you're new to the program, just look around your house, find everything and anything that can be sold on Amazon, review that stuff, put it on Amazon, put it on YouTube, and then you'll start seeing commissions start rolling in. And it's not a lot at first, it's a trickle at first. But the thing is, that's how you're supposed to do it. Now, here's the thing. That's absolutely true. When you first get started in the program, just review everything you have. However, at some point, you're going to realize some products do better than other products. Some of the videos that you've made lead to sales. Some of them lead to little to no sales. And so you start asking yourself the question, what's the difference? What's the difference between a good product and a bad product? And how do I find those good products to review and only review those instead of wasting my time on products that don't ultimately lead to sales? So that's where I want to show you this awesome extension. It's a Chrome extension made by what I consider to be a friend of mine. I hope he considers me to be a friend as well. But his name's Rob. He made this extension called, he rebranded it recently. It's called Oink for Influencers, I think. But it's a great extension in that it shows you when you're looking at a product on Amazon, when you can expect to actually make your money back from that product. And then also going forward, how much you can make in profit from the product. Now, these are all estimates. Of course, there's no guarantees there. Some products, of course, will do well. Some will not do so well. And it will depend on the demographic for each product, whether they actually watch the videos before making a purchase for that product on Amazon, and these kinds of things. But it's a great starting point for saying some market research in terms of what products are actually going to sell when you want to make a video for those products on YouTube or on Amazon. So I say all this to say it's a free Chrome extension. You can get started for free on there. He does have a pro plan as well, which I'm subscribed to, and it's been well worth it because from creator connections alone, and this is another thing, like it'll scan all the videos that you've made and cross-reference those with creator connections and just sign you up automatically and start making you more extra money based on the creator connections. Before I got this extension, I was really intimidated about getting the whole creator connections thing. It was just like, I don't know how that works. I don't know if I need to make more videos for these programs, these campaigns and the creator connections. But once I got this extension, I signed up with it, and it's just, it just scans your library of videos that you've already made, and it's free money. Like, it paid for itself right away. So I highly recommend both the free version, but also the paid version, because it's definitely paid for itself. And I recently got to sit down with Rob, and he helped me think through moving my whole online business, Amazon and mostly Amazon, but from what it is now, making about $1,000 to $2,000 per month, to scaling it to about a $10K per month business. I'm really looking forward to that. I think he's got a great plan, a great extension. I recommend both his coaching and also his extension. And Rob really knows his stuff. Like, I like to think of him as a smarter, more ambitious version of me. If you're in the Amazon Influencer Program, you really need to be watching his YouTube channel and get his extension, and then possibly even get his coaching. Like I said, in talking to him, he really helped me out a lot. Both of those links are in the description, both to his Chrome extension and also his coaching plan. And check out his channel too. Lots of great tips for Amazon influencers. Now, for full disclosure, I am an affiliate of his Chrome extension, so if you were to buy one of his paid plans, I would get a commission from that, but I'm telling you, man, it's well worth it. For me, it paid for itself within the very first month of using it. Like, these are the exact tools that I would have made if I just would have known how to do it. It's really going to take you to the next level because it's already taken me to the next level too. And if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.